Someone in Italy, those days, recently, told about possible interest about Juventus in regarding your position for next year. Do you think that your cycle here is not finished yet, or possibly in the future, could you come and managing in Italy?
Well, I would say, I know today the social media, the social media have influence, but I don't understand, believe me, I don't understand. Why the media, for one, why Twitter or say something, everybody in the biggest pages, Pep is going to mean next 4 years going to Juventus. So I don't understand. I don't understand how the people, before to say if I go to Juventus or not, don't try to call the club or call myself or call my agent or call whatever, Juventus or Massimiliano Allegri. I mean, I'm so sorry for Massimiliano. I have 2 more years here and I'm going to move. Impossible. Except they sack me. And after, I go home. But if the Manchester City wants me, I will stay 2 more years by far, and hopefully another one. I'm not going to go to Juventus the next 2 seasons. So, but it's your problem. So if you want to say one day, one guy for the Twitter say, I'm going to go to a training in the United States of America, and after in the pages in the newspapers, I'm going to train in the States of America. So, but what can I say? So, nothing.